Hey guys, Micah White here. Hey, I want to thank you for opening this email up and clicking on this link because what I want to show you, I just want to show you some proof really quick. Just want to show you some proof of what people are doing inside this powerful system. Okay? Mr. David Deckel, he's really outdone himself this time. He's put a system together where he does all the work and you make the commissions. He does all the legwork. You don't have to worry about creating a sales video. You don't have to worry about following up with the your potential client, your potential business partner, simply because he does all that for you. All you do is sit back and you collect the commissions. Now, one thing that I always tell people when you're looking at a program, look at the ease. Look at the ease of it. Are there newbies? Are there new people getting results? Because if you got to be an experienced marketer to get a result inside a business, that's probably not the business that you want to be in. Okay? This business right here, we are getting results like crazy. It is new people getting their first commissions. There is seasoned marketers making a lot of money. I mean, we have it across the board. I just want to show you some results. On this page that you're on my the page that you probably was on, you was probably looking at some testimonials that I've had on this page here. But I want to show you some stuff that's on the that's in our private Facebook group. I want to show you some successes that's in our private Facebook group. Okay, so here we go. Okay, just Mr. Kevin, he just got a sale, $2,000 sale. Hey, not bad. Hey, Jordan, he just made his first sale ever online, $25. Hey, we start somewhere. Okay. Pierre, $1,000. He made $1,000 sale just an hour ago. Dependra, hey, she made $100. $100. And like I said, this stuff is coming in all the time. I mean, there are always fresh uploads on this in our Facebook group every day. I mean, this system is converting like crazy. I mean, and like I said, a lot of newbies are making their very first sales. Okay, Mr. Miles Seegers, another $2,000 just dropped in. Hey, Paolo, hey, $30,000 last month. So far this month, $27,000. I mean, this can be life-changing income for a lot of people. You know, here's Pierre again, $2,250 rolled in. Okay. Here's Jeff with the, he's made a commission on Funnel X Advanced. Now, like I say, inside of Easy One Up, that Easy One Up is the system that is producing a lot of these results. But when you get fully invested in Easy One Up, which is at the $2,000 level, this comes with it, Funnel Advanced. That's one of the bonuses that's offered through the Profits Passport system. So you can make $998.50 commissions, just like what Jeff just done. He made a $998, might as well say $1,000 commission. Okay. Sheila, hey, she $100. Okay, this lady, okay, prime example, she wasn't positioned at the top and she had to give up a sale. So she made the $2,000 sale, but she had to pass it up to her upline simply because she's not positioned at that level. So it is very imperative that inside the income stream number one, once you go in the system, income stream number one is the Easy One Up program. That is what is producing a lot of this success right here. Is the Easy One Up program. So I can, honestly tell you, hey, look at that and try to position yourself at the highest level possible, because I can tell you it takes the same amount of work to sell a $25 program as it takes to sell a $2,000 program. I mean, all you're doing different is just looking for a different person. All you're doing is looking for a person with more money. So it's the same amount of work. So if you can find a way to position yourself at the highest level possible inside the Easy One Up program, that is how you can make your life-changing income. Because to get to $10,000 per month, $2,000, you only need to sell 5 of them. $25. I mean, you're going to have to sell a whole lot of them to get to $10,000. So be mindful of that. Okay, Mark, hey, another $25 dropped in this morning. So far in 20 days, he's made $375. Lori, $850 in 8 days in Forsage. That's one of the income streams that we have. Cecilia, she made a $250 sale inside the Easy One Up system. Hey, Mr. Sam Randall, $80,000 made within 180 days. I mean, this can be life-changing income for a lot of people. There's a lot of people that don't even make $80,000 in a year. I mean, sometimes 2 years. So to make $80,000 in 130 days, I mean, that can change a lot of lives right there. Okay? And all it takes is a decision. All it takes is one decision. Ernest, $250 commission. Nate, he woke up to a crisp $100 to start the day out. How would you like to wake up in the morning to $100, $1,000, $2,000? I mean, think about it. I mean, you can have a good day. You know, that's fire your boss type of money. Okay, David Deckel, Rose. Congrats to Rose. She generated a $2,000 commission. Okay. Robert made his very first sale. $100. Omega, a $250 sale. This is in the Easy One Up. Hey, Jeff, wow, $6,350 made in the past 2 days. I mean, people, that is life-changing money. But that's what I wanted to show you. I just wanted to show you some testimonials. I just want to show you some proof of the success that a lot of people are having inside this very powerful Profits Passport system that Mr. David Deckel has put together. And so, you know, all I can tell you is make a decision. I mean, look at this and seriously consider it. It's always something new that you can get into. But if you're a type of person that wants something solid, you want something that's going to stay, and you want something that's got support and motivation built all into it, where yes, the owner, he cares, he does the work for us, he sends out the emails, he follows up with these people and converts them, and he does it for you. And what you do, you just sit back and you collect the commissions. I mean, it can't get any easier than this. He teaches you about traffic. He shows you traffic. He gives you traffic. So, you know, really be mindful of all that. And if you need to contact me, my information should be somewhere around on this page. Connect with me on Facebook. Shoot me an email, what have you. Just get in contact with me. I would love to link arms with you. And hey, let's get something started. You know, but it starts with a decision. It starts with a decision. So make that decision. Hey, and let's get it going. But this is Micah White. Hey, like I said, I just wanted to make this quick video just to show you some proof. But I'm signing off until I see you on the inside. Hey, peace and prosperity, people.